What's up my good guys? So welcome to our channel Euny. I hope you are all doing well, and thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. My name is Euny from Johannesburg, South Africa. My good guys, like right now I'm in the mountain kingdom again, which is Lesotho. So I just want to show you something. I want to show you the pigs. So let me show you. This is the pig. Can you see? This is the pig. And its food over there. Over there. The piglets. Can you see the piglets under the shade there? It's 4 of them. The other one is here. Right here, busy eating. Can you see? Hello, hello, hello. Look, the big one. The big one here. It's also eating. Also eating. Can you see? Yes, my good guys. It's very hot here. Very hot in the mountain kingdom. Mountain sky, if you want to call it like that. The other one is here. The big one, the black one. Hi, can you stand up? Huh? He doesn't want to stand up. Okay, my good guys. Let's check the other things. As I once said, Lesotho, my good guys, for those of you who don't know Lesotho, it's the country inside the other country, the country inside South Africa. So for me to come to Lesotho, it's not a problem as such, not a big deal as such. It's just 306 kilometers from Johannesburg up to here. So for me, it's not a big deal. Really, it's not a big deal. So let's check. It's a landlocked in by the other country, which is South Africa, a mountainous country. I'll show you. Let me show you the plants here. These are the trees, the tree there. Cabbage under the net. It's a cabbage under the net, and then that is a over there. It's a bull. So it's very aggressive. I don't want to go closer because it might hurt me. That's a bull. It's a bull. I don't want to go closer. I'm even scared of it because they said it's very aggressive. I can see even by the look of the eyes. It's not friendly. It's not friendly at all. Let's check the garden. It's like I will have to help with the weeding. see these are the cabbage. The life here, it's all about farming. In the mountain kingdom, it's all about farming. You do the farming, you won't starve at all. You won't starve at all. Oh, there are lots of vegetables here. Some of them I don't even know the names of those vegetables, but let's go check. I don't know what is this, and it's being covered by the net. This is a white thing. I really don't know the name of this thing. This is a maize meal. You can see it's a maize meal. Hey! Whew. The small cabbage. Small cabbage. As I said, they are full of weed here. I'll have to do the weeding the other day. Oh, even that, I'll show you something. In Lesotho, they mostly survive with the farming, my good guys. This yellow thing, it's called sunflower. Can you see, my good guys? It looks healthy and beautiful. Healthy and beautiful. So my good guys, if you like this content, kindly like, subscribe and share the video. I thank you very much. You're always the best. The farming in the mountain kingdom, they are really trying their level best, because it doesn't make sense to always go to the shops. When you want to eat, you have to pop out the money. No, they are using whatever they have, like the soil. They're using the soil to produce the vegetables so that life can go on. My good guys, kindly like, subscribe and share the video. Let's follow the video to the channel together. You are always the best. Thank you very much. What's up my good guys? So welcome to our channel, Euny. I hope you're all doing well. As I said, our channel is Euny. My name is Euny from South Africa, Johannesburg. Like right now, my good guys, I am in Lesotho Mountain Kingdom. I arrived here yesterday, the day before yesterday. So I have shown you the pigs and the gardening whatsoever, but I'll show you the other thing that is very, very wonderful, my good guys. Let me show you. As I said, here in Lesotho, they survived mostly with farming. They depend on farming. This is the pig manure, my good guys, which is doing wonders in terms of farming. I'll show you the wonders of pig manure. Let's go. It's very, very hot, my good guys, here. Very hot. me so that I can show you the wonders of pig manure. Oh, I am in Lesotho, Butabute, my good guys. In Butabute district. Let me show you the wonders of pig manure. You see this? Yesterday I said this thing, I don't know, but I asked the owner of this plot, what is this? And then she said this is an eggplant. And then what had been used here, it's pig manure. Can you see how healthy it looks? Can you see, my good guys? I believe you can see. Let me show you. Oh, the eggplant for this. Can you see? This is the eggplant. No, yeah. Can you see it? The fruit of the eggplant is flowering, meaning lots of eggplant fruit is coming here. This is the wonders of using the pig manure. Let's go further. They are rich here in terms of farming. This is the green pepper, my good guys. Can you see? It's the way the pig manure had been used. Everything is healthy, my good guys. If you have got the pigs, don't throw away anything. Use it in your garden. You'll thank me later. Oh. There are lots of green peppers, tomatoes over there. This is the tomato. Ooh, look this one, how big it looks. This one is huge. I wish one day I can have a plot like this so that I can plant and save a lot. Can you see, my good guys? These are the tomatoes. It's tomatoes. It's not like where I come from, Johannesburg, whereby we buy almost everything because we don't have the plots. Yeah, they are planting. As I've shown you in my previous video, that they've planted the maize meal, the cabbage, anything you can think of. Ooh. The sunflower, they said they use this for the chicken, as a chicken feed. chicken food. This thing being used to feed the chicken. Let me go and show you the other thing. Whew. It's hot, my good guys. Just bear with me. Very, very hot. Can you see that pipe, my good guys? Over there from the house up until to the Jojo, the big Jojo. That is for water harvesting. When it rains, the water comes from the roofing. It goes down through the gutters to the Jojo, so that they can use that water for the plants, even to do so many things like doing the washing. You see, my good guys, even for the cows to drink. The bull, that bull, the naughty one. I'm not. I'm really scared of that bull, because they said it's very, very aggressive, so it might hurt me. So I don't want to go closer, but I believe you can see it. Yeah, my good guys, if you like this content, kindly like, subscribe and share the video. I thank you very much. You're always the best.